Good morning. This is my stand or table that I built to keep my supplies out with me when I'm out in my garden. And it's a half a pallet cut in half and with four pieces of 2x4 screwed in and a couple of pieces on the bottom for braces. So this ran its course and I've decided to replace it. So I'm going to take it down and then I'll show you what I'm replacing it with afterwards. This is what I decided to replace my stand with. This is after the stand has been removed. Okay everyone, here's my finished cabinet. It's all put together. The hardest thing about it was doing it without any instructions. The box had no instructions in it, but I figured it out from looking at the picture and took it from there. If you open it up, I have a top and a bottom, 3 shelves. If you open it up, the top are all my fertilizers that I use. Second shelf has my soaps and insecticides. Third shelf has compost, zip ties, seeds, alfalfa alfalfa pellets. And the bottom has more stuff that I use, such as cocoa coir and bone meal, blood meal, those type of things. And it also has my seed tray. So overall, I think I'm going to be happier with this than the one that I made. And I look forward to many years of using it. I purchased it off of Amazon. I'll put a link in the comments. And I want to thank you for watching me put this together. I think I'm going to be very happy with it. If you haven't subscribed already, feel free to do so. Hit the like button. Also, click the notification bell. You'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. You can share my videos if you want to. You can leave a comment. Until next time, stay blessed, stay strong, and grow